What's going on, fellas? This is Ryan Johnson with moneybass.com, and today just wanted to take a few minutes to show you how to locate ledges on just about any lake that is compatible with your Lake Master chip, and using your depth highlight and your shallow water highlight settings. So let's go ahead and get started. And basically you can just go anywhere on your map. And as you can see, I already have the red is going to be your shallow water highlight, and the green is going to be your depth highlight. So you hit the menu button twice and go over to HB chart. And these are the settings that we're going to be looking into today. So you have your depth highlight. Right now we have it set on 20. Shallow highlight is set on 5. And generally the shallow water highlight is set to prevent you from running into shallow water and damaging your boat. But you can also use that to locate areas that you want to fish on the lake. So first, let's go ahead and do this. Let me get back out of here and just pick an area on the map. Let's see. And what we're gonna do is find the area where there's a very big drop off, a big ledge. All right, let's see. I'm out here at the campground, so you'll hear a little noise in the background every once in a while. But okay, so let's just pick one of these points right here. I put a flag on this point. So now let's zoom in. And as you can see, this red is gonna be from 0 to 5. And this right here is 15 to 25 feet. So in between here is gonna be anywhere from 5 to 15 feet is that white area that's not shaded. So what you can do is, let's say that you want to find ledges that drop off from say 10 feet to 20 feet, for example. So what you would do is go back into the menu settings, hit menu twice, go to HB chart, go down to your depth highlight, and we have that set on 20 already. And so this 5 is going to be plus or minus 5. So you're going to add 5 and subtract 5 from that 20. So that'll make it 15 to 25 feet. So what we're going to do is bump this up to, actually, let's move this up to 25. So now that's going to make the green area is going to be 25 to 30 feet. And now we're going to, no, actually 20 to 30 feet, because you're doing the plus or minus 5 right there. All right, so now we're going to bump this shallow water highlight up to 20, and I'll show you what that's going to do for you. So basically, whenever you look at the map, you're going to see these areas that's real dark, the black areas on the map. Those are already ledges. But now what you can do is locate the areas where it drops from 10 feet to 20 feet, because any place that red and green now touches is going to be the area where you have that drop off that you're looking for. Because remember, the red is now 0 to 10 feet, because that's what we just set it to. And the green is going to be 20 to 30 feet. So there we go. So there's the ledge right there. This, what did I say? 20, right at 20 feet, 10 to 20 feet drop off. All right, let's zoom back out. And now all you need to do is you could just cruise around on the lake, find any places where you see that dark black area, but what you're looking for is where it's in between the green and the red. So there's some more areas right here. Let me see. So for instance, that right there, let's just zoom in on that. Take a look at those areas. So there you go. So there's some more ledges right there. And this is Lake Russell, but again, like I said, any lake that you can use your Lake Master chip on will work. Let's just zoom way out, for example, and take another look. Let's see if we can find a long point someplace. Let me see. Let's drive around this lake. And again, you can do this at home, or just wherever, even after you finish fishing for the day and you're just sitting on your boat and you want to locate areas to mark and fish, you can do this at home to kind of save time for whenever you get on the lake. All right, guys, so that is how you can kind of play around with that and just see what you can come up with. Just have some fun with it. It's always good to just play around with the units and get used to using some of those features on there. Like I said, you can do this at home, in the garage, or just whenever you're out on the lake, or you can plug your units up at home and test it out there. All right, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe. Got to finish getting ready for tomorrow for day 2 of my Lake Russell tournament. Go ahead and look down in the description. I'll put the link to that video there just so you guys that want to take a look at it and see how the day ends. All right, guys, see you on the next one.